Essential tools. Proper tool usage ensures safety, efficiency, and precision in the kitchen. Using knives, utensils, and cookware correctly prevents damage and enhances food preparation. Quality measuring tools and maintenance keep the kitchen running smoothly.
Tools 1. Memo to kitchen staff. From Ed Mallard, head chef. Please use utensils only for their intended purposes. We threw away several damaged knives this week. Remember, paring knives are not strong enough for large cuts of meat. Use a butcher knife or boning knife instead. And do not try to cut bone with a French knife. One of the blades was broken and had to be replaced. That's what cleavers are for. Don't forget to maintain all knives with a steel. We also had to replace a bench knife. Someone tried to use it on vegetables and bent the blade. Several forks were also bent and needed repair. Please do not use these for cutting anything.
Tools 2.
𝗩𝗪'skitchensupply.com. Harley's Kitchen Supply, featured tools and utensils. Click here for our fantastic lineup of spoons, whisks, and other kitchen products. Our spatulas make sure nothing gets left in the bowl. Serve your guests in style with our soup ladles and salad tongs. Click here for more. Never let the wrong measurements ruin your recipe. We have accurate measuring spoons down to 1/8 teaspoon. Measuring cups and scoops go up to 4 cups. Click here to order. Click here for our full catalog of kitchen supplies. Check out our extra rough graters. Colanders are available in small, medium, and large. Don't forget a good cutting board to protect your countertops.
Tools 3.
Good habits. Cooking with the right containers. Use a pot for boiling and steaming. Large batches of soup are best cooked in a stock pot. Smaller batches and sauces are fine in a saucepan. For pastas, make sure your strainer is the right size to avoid a mess. Always use a double boiler with foods that must stay below boiling temperature. Frying requires a pan. Skillets retain heat best for fast frying. However, lighter frying pans are better if you need to toss the ingredients. Bake cakes and sweetbreads in the proper bake pans. Only use sheet pans for small, individual baked goods like cookies.